Got him, saw him, hooked him. Bro. Saw him. Following him from the outer weed patch. Oh yeah. Alright, that's another one. How good's that? It's actually not a bad size. Still not as big as the ones we were catching the other week, but hopefully later on we'll get a few big models as well. But that's 3 for the morning. Been a bit slow, but we're doing alright. We're working, these bright colours seem to be working the best for us at the moment. We've tried pretty much all the colours so far, it's all the bright ones.